Hey friends, let's try Dalgona coffee. For this we need 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of coffee and 2 tablespoons of sugar.
Oh bella ciao, bella ciao.
Friends, mix it well until it becomes a thick whipped cream. Mix it with a coffee mixer. When the paste has become very whipped and thick, then add ice cube in the glass and add a glass of milk. Then add 2 tablespoons of the paste we have made. Put the paste gently so it shouldn't get deep in the milk. I have sprinkled some coffee on top of it. You can add crushed chocolate or crushed almonds. You can decorate with them as well. Now it's ready. Thank you for watching friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Alif Official.